Alright, so right now I'll be showing you how to do waterfall. So we're gonna start with a bit of a yo-yo. So before we start, I'll show you what waterfall looks like this. Another side like this. So the first step of waterfall is to line up your sticks properly. To make it easier on yourself, you should line up so you're facing the yo-yo, such that your sticks are parallel to yourself. You want to line up your sticks so that, for example, if I turn to the right, I'm going to line up my left stick over my right stick, like this, so that it forms a 90-degree angle. Similarly, if I was to turn to the left, I'll put my right stick over my left stick to form a 90-degree angle. So that's the first part of lining up your stick, and then once you line them up, you use your right hand now, as I turn to the right, to pull the yo-yo over and around. Again, I line them up properly. I use my right hand to pull the yo-yo over this stick, the left stick, and it should go all the way around. So if I turn to the left, I line up my sticks. I use my left hand this time instead. I pull the yo-yo over my other stick and around. One last time. On both sides. Line up your sticks to form a 90-degree angle. Pull over and around. Line up to form a 90-degree angle. Pull over and around.